Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey gang, it's Todd Gross. How would you like me to go to bat for you to sell services using all those AI tools just sitting on your hard drive, just itching to be used? Or better yet, how would you like master resale rights to the whole kit and caboodle so you can make 100% profit flipping this incredible video product to others? We hear you. You have too many AI tools now and no money to show for it, right? Well, my team and I sat down and we solved that problem with this unbeatable product with master resale rights. So you could profit by using my persuasive videos to rope in clients. Or you can make 100% profit by reselling them. It's like double dipping. All right, here's the deal. I often hear from you saying things like, Todd, I've got these fantastic AI tools, but all they do is sit on my drive unprofitable. Or, Todd, I love using AI for my personal projects. I just love playing with it, but I would really like to start selling these AI services to businesses. Okay, so let's flip that script. Let's make money from all those AI tools with my help. Exciting, right? Your instincts are right. Small businesses are constantly in need of affordable content creation and marketing solutions. So give it to them. Bang down their front doors with my videos. We devised this done-for-you solution that is super, super affordable. And we are calling it Todd's AI Niche Videos Bundle, the solution to turning your existing AI tools into profit with the Todd Touch. Here's how it works. The Todd Gross team zeroed in on 20 of the most sought-after AI niches, compatible with a multitude of AI tools that you likely already have. From there, we developed a video funnel tailored for 20 of the hottest AI niches that we know can serve and attract small businesses out there. Now, niches like SEO optimization, press releases, business imagery, reputation management, social campaigns, and more, you know them. Each one is scripted, produced, and crafted with one focus: to convert these leads That's right, these local leads into paying clients for you. Bust down their doors with my on-camera experience of 4 decades now and 3 Emmy Awards. I will do the heavy lifting to convert those potential clients into qualified leads ready for your AI services. Now, you might say I have AI video spokesperson tools for that, but no matter how realistic they get, it can never replace the real Todd, so to speak. All right, you know what I mean. Imagine having me as your personal spokesperson, advocating on your behalf. I'll get back to the master resale rights aspect too in just a moment. Hang in there, let's not forget that. But first, let's dive into what's included in Todd's AI Niche Videos bundle. At the heart of it, there are 40 videos, 20 social media, and 20 client closing videos across 20 niches that are ripe for your AI services, plus a done-for-you website designed to work for each one of those 20 niches, customizable according to your brand. You'll also receive the green screen versions too for even more customization, so you can put whatever you want as a background image. This all boils down to a simple step-by-step mechanism. Check this out. Begin by posting the social media video for your desired AI niche, then guide that traffic to your existing website or the website that's included in our package. Of course, ensure my client closing video is on the website to bring it all together and bring the deal home. Yes, it's as simple as that. I'm working for you every step of the way here. The first thing you need to do is identify a niche market that's calling out for the AI services you already possess. There are always local businesses that can benefit from what you could do with the AI tools that you already have, whether they are near or far from you. Once you have identified the niche market you want to service, it's time to build a strategic approach, and nothing serves this purpose better than my bundle of Todd's AI niche videos. You may choose to concentrate on one AI service that fits what you can offer best, or you can have a couple of specialties. But no matter your choice, if just one of these video funnels can help you close just one client for a future project, bam! It's worth the tiny investment to unlock it all today. And the best part is you don't have to start from scratch. We've done most of the work for you. With Todd's AI Niche Videos bundle, all you have to do is select your niche, share the attention-grabbing video for that niche on your favorite social channel, and then send that traffic to your established website or the agency website that's included, with my client closing video, of course, and you're ready to go. And remember, I asked my team to make sure what we produced could be offered at an affordable price. Well, how about less than $1 per video and the agency website included? Yes, all that included in the tiny price. What? I know, it's really, really low. There's no upsell either. There are no additional offers other than what you see on this very page. But that does lead me to what I mentioned earlier. Yes, you can also grab master resale rights for the videos included in this package for the low one-time investment you see on the page. Now, that's another completely separate income stream. That's what I was talking about, double dipping. Another way to make money from this. That's right, you could actually sell my videos with the master resale rights. And because it's master resale rights, you could even sell the rights to sell my videos in any combination you want. And the best part about it is, since this is aimed at local businesses, the market for those who want these kind of videos virtually limitless. And here's the sweet twist. If you own Face Swap, if you have that product, you can even turn me into an unlimited number of different looking spokespeople if you want, mixing it all up, but keeping the same Emmy award-winning voice working for you. Now the question is, do you want to be a part of this success story? If you want to grow your business this year and beyond, don't hesitate. Combine your local reach with the power of Todd's AI Niche Videos bundle. Let me help you achieve success, one client at a time. And I'll see you on board right now. But one thing, this is a test offer, and we are just hours away from shutting it down for a time. So there isn't too much of me out there, so to speak. So you need to grab it now before we hit the pause button on this incredible offer. I do hope you'll enjoy using and selling these videos as much as I did enjoy putting it together for you. Have fun with it and go make some money.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.